Welcome back. Let me share the screen. Okay. In previous video, we discussed about uh, what is email marketing and why email marketing. In this video, we will discuss about different types of emails. When we do the email marketing, we need to know what are the types of email and what type of email we should send to your customers. Okay. So why types matters. Okay, all emails are not for selling. Based on your requirement or customer's requirement, the email will change. The purpose and goal will be changed. Different purpose for each email. If you only sell in every email, 100% people will subscribe. Okay, so it will be like they will think that we are spamming their inbox. If you continuously send emails like purchase our product, and there are offers going on in our company or for our product, so purchase, and hurry up, only 3 days, purchase, and you already clicked on that, you didn't purchase like that. If you keep on sending purchase asking to purchase your product or services, people will definitely unsubscribe your emails. Okay, which is dangerous for you. Okay, so now we will discuss about different types of emails and which type of email to be sent to what type of customers. Number one, there are four types of emails, right? Number one is the promotional emails, like how we discussed just now. So those emails will talk about only offers, discounts, and a product, new product launches, sale campaigns. It's totally will discuss about the product and sales. Okay, to sell, how to sell the product. Their main goal is to sell that product. Example, flat 50% off today. These emails are sent to generate sales. Only generate sales. Their motto is only sales. These are one type, promotional emails. And another one is transactional emails. The customer has already purchased the product or already purchased the services, whatever it may be. After that, whatever the email, the money transaction has happened. So after that, whatever the email you send, that is the transactional emails, like order confirmation. Okay, so once he purchase the product or services, you need to send order confirmation email, right? So that is the transactional email or payment receipt. Okay, he pays the amount, he transfers the amount, you need to send the payment receipt, right? So that is the transactional email. Or delivery updates. Okay, so now your product is here, it will reach you after 2 days or something. Okay, dispatch updates or delivery updates. These are automatic emails sent after an action. Okay, these are all the transactional emails, like your order has been shipped. Like that, you will get such type of emails when you purchase something in Amazon, Flipkart, right? So those are all the transactional emails. And the third one is newsletter emails. These emails will not talk about the selling, sales, but indirectly the purpose, finally, end of the day, the purpose is, everybody's purpose is to generate the revenues, to sell their product or services. But in these emails, they will not talk anything about. They will be sending some useful information to their customers, like tips and updates. For example, if it is a shoe company, so what type of shoe is useful for them? If they are diabetic, what type of shoe they should wear, or something, some information, useful information, tips, which adds value to that email. Okay, and blog content, like that, weekly emails or something, information which are useful for the customers. Okay, so those are all the newsletter emails. These emails provide value, not selling directly. So, example, 5 tips to improve your health. Okay, so such type of emails. And the fourth one is drip campaigns. These are the series of emails will be sent to the customer. Okay, so once the customer sign ups for your newsletter or whatever it may be, once they give their email ID, first they will get the welcome email. Okay, it is a series of emails. These are also will be sent automatically. First, immediately, once they give the email, immediately we should not send the sales email, something related to sale, right? So first we will be sending the welcome email, and next newsletter emails like tips, some useful information, something. Okay. And then later we can send offers. Okay. If he purchase seeing those offers, then he will become our customer. Okay. So these are the drip campaigns. When someone signs up, they receive emails step by step, series of emails. These are the drip emails. Okay. Quick comparison. Promotional email, their goal is sell. Transactional emails, their goal is to inform. Okay. So this purchase happened. So your product is here. Here's some information they will send about their purchase. Newsletter emails, educate. They will educate their customers. Their goal is to educate their customer. Drip emails to nurture the customer. Okay. Finally, they will get Finally, they will build the trust from the customer, and the final stage is to purchase the to purchase the product. Okay. So real life email flow. Okay. User signs up. Okay. User sends, somehow we will get the email. Immediately we will send welcome. He will get welcome email. And then he will start receiving tips. And then he will get offers emails. And then later he will become the customer. This is the complete journey from stranger to the customer. This is possible from email marketing also. Even from Meta ads also it will possible, and even from the Google ads also it is possible. This is the funnel to complete the sale, right? So immediately we should not talk about sale anywhere, even in Instagram, even in Google, anywhere. First, we should nurture the customer. This is the funnel of the marketing, email marketing. Okay. So different emails equal to different goals. Promote, sell, transactional, inform, newsletter, educate, drip, nurture. So these are the different types of emails. So in next video, we will talk more about email marketing. Okay. Thank you.